How to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync the contacts saved on your phone with WhatsApp on your Android or Samsung device. And if this video helps you out, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. It really supports me. So the easiest way to do this isn't actually inside the WhatsApp app. The setting we need is found in the Android phone setting. To get there, swipe up to open your apps, and in the list, look for WhatsApp. Press and hold on the WhatsApp icon until a menu appears, and then tap the little info icon in the top right. This will bring you to the Android system settings specifically for WhatsApp. From here, just tap Permission. In the Permissions list, find Contacts and make sure it's set to Allow. Once this is enabled, WhatsApp will have permission to access the contacts stored on your phone and will sync with them automatically. If, for any reason, your contacts still aren't syncing, try restarting your Android device. After it powers back on, WhatsApp should sync your contacts normally.